Hi folks, Rob from EdgeBit here. Today I want to give you a peek into our new offering, Dependency Autofix, and how this fulfills our ethos for not just finding security vulnerabilities, but actually helping you fix them and then tracking to ensure that they're actually merged and deployed and the threat is actually remediated. And this joins some of our runtime reachability features. So today, our system understands which dependencies are in use on your servers, whether that be a Kubernetes cluster, EC2 machines, ECS workloads. And especially when you have a thick base image, a lot of the stuff inside of there is not actually used. And so we deprioritize vulnerabilities related to those packages. Now, if there are legitimate vulnerabilities, we use reachability at build time to help you fix them. And so let's say I have in my front end a vulnerable NPM package. What we do is stage an update for what that risk looks like to your application based on how you call into that code and how you use that dependency. And it's very specific to your application. And so let's take a deep dive into what one of those reports looks like. So here we upgraded a single package to fix a high vulnerability. And we did some static analysis, and looks like we have some potential impact because we have this one call site that goes into this updated code. And so we've figured out the behavior status of this. What is this going to do to my app? And then we've highlighted the actual call site both in your code and the module code. And what is it actually doing? Here, it looks like they refactored some logic, and I just happen to know that that logic is related to the bug that we fixed here. So this is a pretty simplistic example, but of course it can get a little bit more complicated. Here is what we did is trigger a single update, but actually caused 20 transitive dependencies to be updated, and all of those were calling in several times into this updated code. You can see that we've got a number of packages that were upgraded here, and so we do have some potential impact for this upgrade. And so what we've done is highlight the 20 call sites here that are actually interfacing with that updated code and then can help you understand the impact to your application. And then of course, not every upgrade actually has impact. So here is a purely transitive dependency, no impact, but what this did is upgrade Webpack to fix this moderate vulnerability. And along the way, we picked up a lot of transitive updates. But our application doesn't actually call into any of this code. And you can see here that we say this has no impact and there's 0 call sites for our application. And so what I say is you should merge this code as fast as possible and ideally probably auto merge it. You're going to remediate this vulnerability, solve your security ticket, and then not distract anybody with the noise of having to research what all these upgrades do because they actually don't impact your app. And we think this is kind of the next generation of using reachability to run an automated vulnerability management program. And of course, if there is something to go look at, you can do further research, but we've done all the hard work for you already and highlighted exactly what you need to look at. And then of course, I've got pull request 927 open here. You get much the same information, and so EdgeBit will continually put up these pull requests and then tag them as no impact or having impact, and then you can take a look at exactly what was changed here and merge that code. What we want to do is have it be GitHub native for your developers to live inside of the tools that they already use, and then for your security team, you can actually go, if you have a certain ticket for a specific CVE, you can go propose an upgrade to fix just that. Or if you've got a package that you know is out of date, you can propose an upgrade for just that. All right, that's a quick look at EdgeBit's new Dependency Autofix feature. We'd love to talk to you about it, give you a demo, and hear more about how you upgrade dependencies for your front-end applications. Thanks.